Hey everybody, just wanted to do a short video on if you're thinking of doing a native garden in your front yard, you want to pay attention to this video. I'm actually in Redondo Beach, California, and this is a pollinator fountain that we put in, and we surrounded it with native plants. We wanted to make a stunning impression for people that came to visit this commercial building called Quantometrics. They're located in North Redondo. And there's the entrance to the building, and when you look to the right, there's this wildlife habitat, and it's got the waterfall, and it's got the, so I'll name some of the plants here. This is Salvia clevelandii Pozo Blue, and here's the Salvia bonbon. Also Point Sal is very similar to it. Not blooming right now, but it will be soon enough. Here's the monkey flower. Seal of approval from the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. Our California succulent, a true California succulent. Here's a Tucrium. Here's a seaside daisy. Yarrow. And more of the daisy, more yarrow, Tucrium, and this is called elegant Clarkia. And we have over here Armeria, really cool flowers, more yarrow, and Salvia bonbon, more monkey flower. See, you don't need a huge amount of things. Here's a ground cover manzanita. And then over here, we've got Salvia clevelandii. They grow about 3-4 feet tall, and they're just a beautiful plant, but they just go all season. And the Catalina fuchsia. And so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. The question, does the entrance to your work look like this? We hope it will be. If it's not, this is a pollinator paradise. Thanks for joining.